2001 half year, we're end of it, and what's the second half outlook looks like. Hi, let's talk about a DC metro housing market. Is it going to be a boom or a bust? First half, as we know that market was strong, real estate was crazy, March madness to spring madness, whatever you call it. So let's dig in and talk about the second half of housing market in the DC metro area. Inventory. We had struggled not even during pandemic, even pre-pandemic, with our inventory. And I personally think that my personal opinion has been that we're going to continue with our struggle for inventory. But we are seeing some sign of relief. I've seen more inventory come up on the market in the past month or so. So we have some hope. Second is our interest rate. A lot of my mortgage investors and mortgage experts, I should say, have talked about the rising interest rate. My prediction is we're not going to be jumping to 5%. It may go up quarter point here and there, but please do not buy a house just because with the anxiety of rising interest rate. We're expecting to be hovering around 3-ish percentage, so I would not over speculate on the interest rate. And the last is my pricing. So many of my home buyers who are concerned that they may be beyond affordability, as some of you know that I was in LA past week, and when I went down to see some houses and knowing the market over there, I felt like we were relatively very, very cheap market considering the high income, the job opportunities we have in the DC metro area. So again, talking about the pricing, my personal humble opinion is that we're going to see some more increase in a price point, but not as crazy jump as what we saw in starting 2021 in February, March, especially when we saw a big jump in our pricing. If you're thinking about buying it as a buyer, I totally understand it can be crazy time for all of us. But if you are committed as a long-term home buyer, please go for it and buy it for a long term. You have to pay somebody's mortgage, or you're going to be renters, might not be the homeowner. If you have any questions or would like to buy a home in DC metro area, let's team up. Thank you for watching my video.